I said let go.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miguel DSM's channel. I am actually taking over this one because I know you're tired of seeing his face, and I know you just kidding.
We're trying to see your forehead roll.
It's a 5 head, excuse me. Yeah, talk your shit right. We're actually in the garage today. This is something that Miguel asked me to help with, or assist with, shall I say. And I've never done it before, so I'm kind of excited to see how this goes. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. I want to talk shit, but I'm gonna bite my tongue because it's not my channel. So I think it's just my instinct. But we have a couple things in store today, and I hope you guys like this intro because it's pretty trash. It's been a while since I've been behind the camera, but it. Huh?
What? No, keep going. Do your thing. Go
Me. I don't know how you do it with this camera, man. I mean, I go to the
now.
gym and I work out, but like, ow, my arm's sore. Okay.
Alright guys, well we're here for the compound.
Yeah, what are we doing today?
We are going to be wrapping the side, the
A
blades.
box.
Yeah,
We're gonna be wrapping a box.
Shout out to LAG Designs for the 99 combat wing for the VR4. That Marissa's gonna be helping us wrap today. So we've never wrapped anything in our lives.
Never.
So
But it can't be that hard.
we'll see about that.
That's why it's a whole profession that people charge a lot of money for. You're out of focus. Oh, you're in focus now. Beautiful eyes, by the way. Come here.
So here we have the Avery Carmine wrap for the winglets. Okay, so I did go ahead and order a roll of wrap because as you guys know my car is wrapped, it's not painted. It's originally black. God damn it, I missed all the staples messing it up. You have to be really careful.
Oh no. Can you stop hitting the only object in this garage, which is the light? Don't put it on the floor.
Damn.
You don't need to take it all out.
Well, we're showing them the wrap.
No.
Okay, fine. Here is the wrap that my car's wrapped with. It's Avery Dennison.
It's red. It's
Carmine
fucking
red, in case you guys are trying to do it.
In case anybody's trying to use the color, just look up red, because that's literally the definition of red.
Okay, so how are we gonna wrap the winglets? What's your
With
point?
our hands.
Let's unbox the
Yeah, let's
LAG.
see what they look like.
We have the blades for the combat wing out and about. They do come with these 3D printed little things here. They also gave me a template to kind of figure out how to mount the center carbon fiber piece here that we're going to be installing later. So unfortunately the VR4 isn't here. As you guys can see, it's just the DSM. Once I have the VR4 back and fixed, then we'll go ahead and finish the installation of the combat wing, which you guys will see within the video. But as of right now, I still have to get it fixed, so this video won't be released until the VR4 is back and running so that we can install it. So
What are these?
those are 3D printed pieces that attach the blades to the center carbon fiber piece.
Okay, take them away before they melt.
Heat gun? Do you know what you're doing?
Nope.
Alright, you guys are gonna let us know how well we do on our first ever wrap job. Smooth.
Yeah.
Alright, so quick test fit.
Hard because this side.
Try it.
Keep that side.
Go more this way.
Yes.
See what it looks like. Mock it up. Wait, put it back? I didn't even get to see it.
No manches. How am I supposed to hold everything by myself?
Just hold it.
No, there's no way. There.
What is that? That's not a representation of a car. So, we don't know what we're doing. Should we look up some videos beforehand?
No?
No? Okay, let's end it.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh man.
I'm YouTube certified. Not really. There you go. Perfect. Hey.
Okay.
You know what I mean, jelly bean? But I want to use the most as we can, so I want to move it over so we don't. Okay, so I'm gonna unpeel.
Wait, we should probably heat it up first, no?
I don't know if you're supposed to heat it up after you unpeel it.
I think we should heat it up first and then unpeel
How about
it.
you watch a YouTube video and then get back to me? Right, it's on. We're done.
Oh god. We don't even have a squeegee.
Squeegee. And the squeegee.
Wow, that's crazy how it kind of...
Okay, that's my hand, sir.
How do you feel about wrapping so far?
Oh, I think it's pretty good. It's going pretty good. Luckily, you could hide shit, like your imperfections, but you gotta know where to hide it. Unfortunately, there's a freaking bubble there. But I can hide.
I don't know if the wing goes fully in there, you know? Pretty sure it will, though.
Well, it's your pedo. You already.
What?
It's your pedo. 5 million years.
She's doing really good. We don't have a squeegee. And we don't... What was that little... We were looking at videos and there was like the little cutter's tape. Alright, we'll get back to you once it's done.
Oh, wait. Alright, redo that. I was picking my nose.
Alright, quick little update. She got one side done within the last hour, so... Bravo!
An hour?
Yeah, I think it's been like an hour, babe.
Babe, we can't do this in one day. I got a meal prep.
I know you have to meal prep. It's already 4:20.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth. Now we gotta figure out where we're gonna cut, and we still have to wrap the other side. So
Simon.
once it's fully wrapped, we'll show you guys the final product. Why are you hiding?
Because you're being mean.
I'm not being.
You're being mean.
Here's the finished product. Looks great, right?
You couldn't have done it any better.
Wait, we're not done. It looks great from like 10 feet away though. It's beautiful. Honestly, it was your first try. I appreciate it.
I did it by myself.
It did take us like 2 hours. I was helping you heat it up and stuff and stretch it. Do not lie.
Who cut it?
You
Who
cut
laid
it. What? That's why we
Who
have
wrapped it out? Who wrapped it? Mr. Heat Gun Boy?
I appreciate you helping. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take the winglets to Indio, California over at VV Wraps.
These videos are a lie. This is like a 10-minute video when it took like 4 hours.
Yeah, it
to
took
wrap
her
that
like
thing.
2 hours to do this. Like, but it is what it is.
Es lo que es.
Yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and then we'll head out to Indio, get these wings done, and we'll see what happens. You just woke up? Welcome to the vlog.
What's up, everyone?
So they're the ones that wrapped my VR4. How long ago? It was like 2 years.
About a year ago? Yeah.
Year?
Something like a year ago.
Time
Year.
flies, huh?
It does.
Yeah. So I'm getting a carbon fiber wing on it. So we're, I guess, just wrapping the winglets on the
Yeah,
side.
the winglets.
Alright guys, we're all done. We finished the winglets, the side mirrors. We did them all completely redone to make it combine now with the car. It looks a lot better. If you guys want any wraps, let us know. We're VV Wraps, vv.wraps on Instagram. We are located in Indio, California.
So this is probably gonna be the hardest video for me to post and edit, because this has by far been, like, the past 3 months have been very rough on me personally, just myself. And I'll talk about it later in the video as far as like the DSM changes to come to the channel. You just want to install this combat wing. For the most part, if you're doing this type of thing, it's pretty straightforward. And if you don't want to hear me talking the whole time and you just want to see the install, we're here at Mace Performance. I ended up just leaving the car. It needed the crankshaft position sensor and the camshaft position sensor. I was going to make a video for you guys to show you guys how to do it, but unfortunately during these last 3 months of this, basically the length of this video, there's been a lot of stuff going on. So I got to the point where I told Aaron just to take care of it. I'll come pick it up when it's ready, just so I could go ahead and take it home. So we're here finally. The car should be running good. Fuel pressure set, sensors have been replaced, the car seems to stay on. So I'm a little bit anxious, but we're gonna go ahead and drive it out to Louis' house, which he's a fellow 3000GT VR4 owner, and he's gonna help me install the combat wing from Carbonetics and Lag Designs. I'd be lying if I said I didn't miss this thing. It's been so long. Look how dirty it is too. So here's the wing, check it out. It's kind of dirty too, but all right. So we're gonna go ahead and build the combat wing in a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and focus on removing the OEM wing. So I see this, usually you're gonna have 3M tape holding this down, and I do see, I think you take it off right here. Phillips screwdrivers right here, and we're gonna take off this to get access. Well, actually no, you don't. You actually just take off the wing through here. Okay.
Yeah, that's just double set too.
Huh?
Yeah, happened like a week ago.
I mean,
So this is what we're left with. Normally you're gonna have 3M tape, as you guys can see here. We have these 3 little things here, and you're also gonna have a piece of the harness coming out for the third brake light on the hoop wing. So this is kind of where we're at right now, and now we're gonna go ahead and check to see, well, basically we're gonna build the wing, and then we're gonna see how much of this surface area is gonna get covered, or where we're gonna have to drill.
Oh, you can tell it's right there, like the bend.
Yeah.
So if you go right here, there's a gap. If you come right there, you can tell it's where it goes. There's like a perfect.
Me personally, I'm a huge fan of the hoop wing because I come from Eclipses, but as you guys know, the combat wings are just, I feel like it's the most popular wing for these cars, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
for sure. Most
so-
sought after, I guess.
And it would kind of complete the 99 look besides the sill panels. God damn. So guys, this thing's massive. So we're currently having some fitment issues because the bolts are too tight. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen them up, let it flex, and then we're gonna go ahead and start drilling it into the trunk. But yeah, this thing looks crazy. Also make sure you use a drill bit big enough to give you enough space, because based off just the regular size drill bit that we used, the blade was already in the corner and we basically had no room to tighten the bolts. So we're gonna have to go ahead and drill a bigger hole just to have more play and to be able to shift the wing between both sides and make it even throughout. So it's not gonna be a direct fit. You're gonna have, I would highly recommend for you to just take it to a body shop or someone that knows what they're doing. We're trying to figure it out. So you guys can see it's getting pretty late, so hopefully we're able to finish this by tonight. Building engines, swapping motors, fixing cars. Look at this thing. It looks freaking crazy. Part of me wants to wide body this 98, which I feel like it's going to be sacrilege for the 3S guys. But I feel like a wide body would fit that wing so well. And I feel like this is how it starts. Like, you should keep a car clean. That's like my style, but this thing is humongous. I think this is the biggest combat wing ever made. So obviously it's not OEM, it's made by LAG Designs and Carbonetics. This is an aerodynamic wing that basically produces better downforce for my 3S guys with some carbon fiber. As you guys can see, look at the design. It just looks crazy. So it still looks like a combat wing, but for the average person that's just looking at this car, like, imagine if you don't know anything about cars and you just come across this thing, you're just gonna be like, what the heck is this? So yeah, this is pretty much the first ever lag designed combat wing for the 3S. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to produce the video for you guys because it's just been a delay with the car. But now that it's back, I'm actually super excited to start driving it again. So hopefully no more issues moving forward. I already hit up a couple of 3S guys, and of course they're always doing stuff out here in SoCal. So expect some videos on that. If you guys are interested in the wing, go ahead and hit up LAG Designs or Carbonetics on Instagram or through email. I'll go ahead and link their stuff in the video description below. This is the top view, side view, low view, rear view. This thing's insane. Look at that. Look at